Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, 24th of November 2020, and we are going to take a look at the Forex calendar, and then we of course will perform some kind of a technical analysis on chosen pairs. So let's just go to the Forex calendar on the InstaForex webpage, and we should be guided towards the today's date calendar. As you can see, I will be showing all of the events for Tuesday, even if they have a low importance apparently. So on Tuesday we already had a Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda speech, 3 o'clock in the morning, so we will take a look definitely on American dollar to Japanese yen pair. We got some speech from the Reserve Bank of Australia Deputy Governor Guy Debelle as well at 4:30. That's already gone. GDP from Germany released at 9 o'clock was better than expected, 8.5% quarter to quarter, while the forecast was 8.2 and the previous unit was 8.2. So nice, good data from Germany, but we still have some IFO data to be released at 11 o'clock. Business climate, current assessment and expectations, all of this will be released at 11 o'clock. So we should take a look at the euro dollar definitely. So that's the other pair for us today to take a look. 2:05, strange hour, but anyway, again, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda will give a speech. Definitely we're gonna take a look on the yen today. And during the New York session, we got some data from America, which is consumer confidence, 5 o'clock. As you can see, it might have a high impact on the markets. And then we just have, again, some kind of speeches from FOMC members like James Bullard and John Williams. Then 7:45, we got some speech from the Bank of Canada, Deputy Governor Colin Wilkins. And interesting thing, let me just point it out that Reserve Bank of New Zealand Financial Stability Report is scheduled for release at 10 o'clock. And at midnight, we got Governor Adrian Orr to give a speech. So I think we should take a look at euro dollar, American dollar and Japanese yen, and we should take a look on the New Zealand dollar to American dollar for sure. So let's just do this. Okay, the first one was American dollar to Japanese yen after the Kuroda first speech for today. So what do we see here? We got this nice bullish candle yesterday when we dropped at the end of the previous week towards the level of 103.71. Then we got this bounce towards $104. So this is like 104.65. That's the high of this rally. Apparently we are still trading in a range. This range is between it's a quite a high range, because this is 105.75 and this is the lows of 103.20, so it's over 255 pips. So that's a kind of a wide range, but that's just because of this big candle up. So we might be right now on the Japanese yen preparing to another leg up, but so far the sentiment is still negative. The RSI is weak and we are trading below 50 points on the RSI, so we need to break above 105, and then we can trade the swing high from 9th of the November, which is on 105.75, and that will be very good development for bulls, because it would mean as well that the RSI is pointing to the north and it's rising basically above 50 level, which is neutral level of course. But so far we are just waiting for the 104.21, 104.02, these two supports to hold, and if they hold, there is a chance for another leg up, as I said, towards these levels. Okay, euro dollar, of course, ahead of the data from the Germany and the data from the America, of course. So what do we have here? As you can see, bounce to the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement. Then we are trying to get above 1.19. Basically, the swing on of 1.119.16 is the high of the move up. So the bulls are trying to break above it, but as you can see, this blue line works. This blue trend line works again, because yesterday we got a rally above it, but ultimately we closed way below the open. So we got this big upper shadow here on the daily time frame chart. So right now I think there is still a bearish pressure around this level of 1.1916. This means every time we try to rally, the rally is being capped. So please pay attention to this level, 1.1916. We already tried twice. So if we will not break above it, definitely, then the price will go lower towards, again, 50%, 1.1761, and then towards 61% of this whole up wave retracement. The 61% is on at 1.1724. If this level of the retracement is violated, there is technical support here, and then there is technical support here. So it's almost 100 pips. It's 90 pips between these two levels. But it doesn't mean that the rally is done. We can still bounce. We can still bounce. We can still break above the blue line, but we need bulls to be more engaged and do not break below 50 or 61% of the retracement. So as long as we trade here, we can still go higher, but the key level is 1.1916. So that's the euro. And let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar. As you can see here, we have hit the supply zone. The supply zone is located between 6,941 6,972 pips. So this is like a 30 pips zone. As you can see, we broke above it already. The high was made at 6,986 pips. So we got a new high in this rally. But please pay attention to the RSI. The RSI is showing us that this market is extremely overbought, and it would be nice for the bears to perform some kind of a correction or a pullback towards one of the levels. The first, I think we should update our levels here. The first levels of support are located somewhere here. One is 6,894 and the other one is 6,873. Those levels should hold the bearish pressure, and then we should continue to go higher. If they will be violated, if they will be broken, then we can go as low as 6,795 pips. Of course, the key technical support is the level of 6,753, this green line here. So as long as we are trading above 6,873, the outlook is still bullish despite this overbought market conditions. So far there is no candlestick reversal, no price pattern reversal clues. So far we're just going higher and higher on the markets like the New Zealand dollar. Let me just take a look what's the next target eventually. Let's just take a look what's the next target on the New Zealand dollar. Where is the next technical resistance? Apparently, there you go. The next target would be somewhere around 7,051, 7,050, 7,051, 56. This is the next target for the New Zealand dollar. If 69.72 is violated, right? So that's the new target for bulls, and it looks pretty impressive. So we might see this target to be hit soon. The question is whether there will be some kind of a reversal first, or we'll just keep going higher and higher. This is a very important zone. This red rectangle is very important supply zone. So please expect some kind of a reaction from the bears on this price behavior, because they will try to push the prices lower. So right now it's just the matter of technical support to hold the bearish pressure. And at the end of this, maybe we just should take a look at the Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on the cryptocurrency markets. As you can see, we are trading higher, strongly trading higher. Keep on trading. As you can see, we got these levels on 17,000, but I will just mark another level. Let me just point it out that this is 18,000, and it's already been violated. So that's the 18,000, and let's just make another one at the 19,000, because this is the level that everyone is fighting for right now, 19,000, and the 19,000 is still not a top. The top is still seen at the level of 20,000. This is the top from the 2017. So right now we are still trending higher and higher. The local support is the low of the candle from 22nd of the November, and it's around 17,583. And as long as we trade above this level, we can still go higher. Of course, we can see this market is trading and it's in overbought, extremely overbought conditions, but it's trending, so it doesn't really matter right now. So next target for Bitcoin, 19,000. Unless there is breakout below 70,583, then we will have some correction, some pullback towards lower levels like 17,000, something like this. So just a quick look at the Bitcoin at the end of this video review. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. So have a nice day of trading, and take care. Bye bye.